Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another data entry non-phone work from home job lead. We will make this one very short, sweet, and to the point today. Just remember that sharing is always caring. So please, if you enjoy any of my job leads or find them helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button and also share with your friends and family members so we can all be working from home, living our best, happy, healthy lives. But today's job lead is from the Connexus Credit Union. I hope I am saying that correctly. I have never heard of this credit union. It is not one that is local to the area that I live in. They are hiring, this is a temporary position for the summer, but they are hiring data entry for their electronic funds department. It says they're proud to return profits to their member-owned credit union members through high-yield checking accounts and deposit products. So they are looking for someone to move data from spreadsheets and forms to be keyed into other computer systems. They need someone to assist with project work as needed. Evidence of good organizational skills is needed and to meet deadlines with minimal supervision. Previous work experience demonstrating accuracy and great attention to detail. And this is going to require proficient skills in the Microsoft Suite applications. Now, the one thing to note about this position, it is for summer help as a contingent worker. So this is not a full-time employee role. This is a part-time contractor role for the summer, and they will offer training, paid training. Training classes start June 20th of 2022. So they are probably, it sounds like, moving computer systems, and they need someone just to do project work, to do all this data entry, to move all this information into new computer systems. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required. They would like someone who has 2 years experience in data entry, and of course, you're going to have to supply your own computer, so your internet speeds need to be 25 Mbps per their request. Now, because I had not personally heard of this credit union before, I did do a little bit of research on it because, as always, I try to weed through any scams before sharing information with you, but always remember to do your own research and never ever pay for a job. I was not able to find data entry position as one of their normal positions, so there is no salary information, but their Glassdoor page has great ratings. Some of the top reviews, or some of the highlighted reviews that their Glassdoor page shows, is that it's a great place to work. A lot of people seem to think it's a great place to work. They have great training programs. They say decent pay, but they didn't get an annual performance increase. That doesn't matter since this is a temporary role. And for the BBB, they do have an A+ rating and says they've been in business for 18 years. So you can feel confident that this is a real credit union if you're like me and just don't have one local to you. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back very, very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.